There's something truly magical about winter. When the first snowflake drifts gently from the sky and lands on the frozen earth, the world changes. Everything slows down. Everything feels softer, quieter, purer. Welcome to the snowy lands, where nature paints in shades of white, and every breath feels like a whisper from the clouds. In this journey, we'll travel through frozen forests, icy lakes, and towering mountains, discovering not just the beauty of winter, but the spirit of adventure that lives within it. The first light of dawn breaks across a snowy valley. A soft golden glow spreads over the white landscape, touching the treetops, the rooftops, and the frozen rivers below. The air is crisp, each breath visible, each sound magnified. Even the crunch of footsteps in the snow feels like music. Winter has a way of reminding us that silence can be beautiful, that peace doesn't need words. In the forests, tall evergreens stand proudly, wearing thick coats of snow. Their branches bow slightly under the weight, but never break. Everywhere you look, there's stillness, a calm so deep it feels almost sacred. And yet, beneath this stillness, life goes on. Deer move carefully between trees, searching for food. Foxes leave trails of paw prints behind them. Even tiny birds hop through the snow, fearless against the cold. Nature doesn't fear winter. It adapts to it. It endures, and in doing so, it reveals a beauty unlike any other season. Further north, we find the mountains. Their peaks pierce the sky, dusted in snow that glows under the winter sun. Here, adventure begins. Skiers carve paths down icy slopes, snowboarders dance with gravity, and hikers, wrapped in layers of warmth, climb through silent trails that few have ever seen. There's something powerful about facing the cold, something that awakens your spirit. Because in the heart of winter's chill, you find resilience, you find strength, you find yourself. As night falls, the world transforms again. The sky turns deep blue, and stars shimmer like diamonds scattered across a dark velvet sea. If you're lucky enough to be in the far north, you might even see the aurora borealis, the northern lights, painting the heavens in waves of green and purple. It's one of the universe's most breathtaking shows, a reminder that even in the coldest places, there is warmth, the warmth of wonder. And yet, winter isn't just about exploration or beauty, it's about reflection. The long nights invite us to slow down, to think, to dream. We sit by fires, sip warm cocoa, share stories, and remember that while the world outside may be frozen, the world within us is still full of life. The snow outside may cover everything, but it also cleanses. It reminds us that endings can be beautiful too, and that every frozen moment carries the promise of spring. Travelers who journey through snowy lands often say the same thing, that winter is not just a season, but a feeling. It's the thrill of adventure and the comfort of stillness, woven together like the wind and the snow. From the icy cliffs of Alaska to the white plains of Finland, from the silent woods of Canada to the glowing peaks of the Alps, winter unites us all through its quiet majesty. There's beauty in the frost that clings to every window pane. There's joy in the laughter of children building snowmen. There's peace in the way snowflakes fall, each one unique, yet together, creating something eternal. And when you stand there, in the heart of the snowy wilderness, surrounded by white silence and endless beauty, you realize that winter isn't something to survive, it's something to embrace. Outro narration. Winter teaches us patience, it teaches us stillness, and most of all, it teaches us that even in the coldest moments,
Beauty never disappears, it simply changes its form. So take a deep breath, step into the snow, and let the world remind you there's magic in the cold and adventure in every snowflake. This is the wonder of winter, and this is the beauty of the snowy lands.